All right, folks, check it out. We're back with another semi how-to video, okay? I'm not gonna show you real step-by-step because I've already got started. But anyways, we've got this little airbox thing here, right? So we took that off. We obviously took that cover off right there. So now this video, obviously you've probably seen the cover. We've got the thermostat we're replacing, and on this Hemi V8. Do any of you guys remember Tim Allen on Home Improvement where he's like, "Rrr, rrr, rrr." Yeah, that's it. Anyways, the thermostat's right here. So it's pretty simple. We're ready to go. Put that seal around this, please. And then we're just going to take off simple 2 bolts, pull that out, put it back on. So
I don't know if I can do this with my fingernails.
I'm probably not even going to. Let's see if this will set up right here. Nope. I don't have the best camera, so we're going to get her to put that on here. Right here. She might not be able to do it because fingernails. Look, a car driving by. Okay. Oh, she's getting there.
No.
There she goes. Yeah, see, you getting it? She's getting it. See, look at that.
It just keeps coming off every time I go.
See, you got it.
Don't come off.
Alright, so we're going to double check that, fix that. I'm going to figure out what size bolt needs to go right here, and then we'll come back to you here in just a sec. Now, we need a set of pliers real quick, so hold on. No, we don't. We don't need a set of pliers. See, look at here. See where the pliers go on? Right there. We're not even going to take that. We're not even going to take that off. So hopefully we don't have a whole lot of coolant coming out of here. But in the meantime, I do have some paper towels. Let me grab some paper towels. Alright.
Your GoPro is cracked.
Where? Oh yeah, barely cracked. I did crack it at one point. These GoPros are fun. They're good. They're wonderful things to have. Alright, so this is gonna be, it might be kind of hot. How long ago did you get off work?
At 1:30.
1:30. Oh, look at that spider.
Where? Oh.
On my arm.
Don't ever do that again.
That's actually really funny. That's,
No,
wow.
it's not.
That
There's a
is,
spider flying.
that was really, that was a good one. That right there should make the entire video.
You
Go
said
subscribe,
that 100
people.
times.
What?
You said that.
That. You guys recognize that little theme song? Tell me in the comments below.
Nickelodeon.
No, she ruined it. Just kidding. That's what it's from, dude. I'm a Nickelodeon kid.
Wow.
Right? Isn't that how young I am?
I don't know.
I don't know. Alright. Do. See, I could have got my other tool that's just like brrrr, but then this video would be boring. And I'd have to fast forward it. Actually, I wouldn't have to fast forward it because in this video I might have to fast forward it. Anyways, so here we go. Hopefully we don't get a whole lot of antifreeze popping out of here because I didn't put anything on the floor. But, oh, son of a.
Good job. Now it's in my bumper.
Son of a.
I think it came out.
Oh, there it is. Alright, so we got that. We will pop this off here real quick. Oh, yeah. There we go. Well, that's fun.
That's all my antifreeze.
Yeah, that. Oops.
It's a good looking puddle.
Now I need to loosen that. That's really stuck on there. There we go. Dang. That was actually quite a bit that leaked out of there. Son of a bitch. Yeah, the other guy I watched did not have that much antifreeze come out. Dang it.
Good thing I just bought a new bottle of it
You did?
when we put it in my car.
Oh. Yeah, there's... I don't know how much is left in the bottle, though. Yeah, just tighten the bolts back and put all this stuff back on. And then you're gonna want to fill your antifreeze again. You're gonna want to top it off. We didn't lose that much. I mean, we lost a decent amount, but you should have enough in that bottle left over. If not, I'll just have to buy another one. Okay. Okie dokie. Okay, before we put this other stuff on, we're gonna fill up and start it. But that's it. Just put everything back together. And that's how you change a thermostat on a Dodge 2014 Dodge
13.
Oh shit, we did it wrong. I googled 2014. It's the same thing. It'll still work. Have a good day. Smile every single day. Now, I don't know why I can't get this lid off. I gotta push it down and turn it one more notch. There we go.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.